Here is a tip to grow big, beautiful pepper plants. What I did is after my husband planted these pepper plants for me, because I was out of town, I went around the plant and I put worm castings, and I also put dried pulverized eggshells. The eggshells are for the calcium. The worm castings obviously provide some nutrition and other nutrients, nitrogen, etc. I did that because last year I got like a black rot, a blossom end rot on my tomatoes and on my peppers. So this year I wanted to make sure I got ahead of that. So I put it around them. Then probably a couple weeks after that, I put, I'm not sure if I put more worm castings or not, but I did put a powdered infant formula. So my sister had some infant formula that had expired. And that infant formula, I looked up, and you can take powdered infant formula and you can use it to feed your plants. So what I did is I put it around those pepper plants that anytime it rained, and we've got a lot of rain this year, anytime it rained, those nutrients were going directly into the pepper plants, into the soil. So my pepper plants are doing amazing this year. And I've harvested a bunch, and so far I have no signs of any of that black rot and no blossom end rot. I did the same with my tomato plants, and no blossom end rot so far on any of my tomatoes, which is awesome. It is July 17th here, so I haven't harvested any tomatoes yet, but you can tell when they're going to get that. And we've had a lot of rain. And my pepper harvest is amazing. It's large. I have more pepper plants that I'm not showing you, but I just wanted to give you that tip. So dried pulverized eggshells and worm castings. And then if you have any of that dried up, powdered infant formula that you no longer use, it's expired, whatever, put that, again, just put it around the base of your plant, water it in, or like I let Mother Nature water it in because we were getting rain all the time. It's also really good when you get a lot of rain like we've been getting, because when you get a lot of rain, then your tomato plants can also get that blossom end rot. So it's not just a calcium deficiency, it can be from like too frequent of watering, or in sporadic watering. So I'm not having any problems. I am really looking forward to my harvest this year, but I just thought I would share those tips with you because, man, it has made a difference in my pepper plants.